There is a mango tree which I love to go up. Its branches spread out so it is simple to climb up the tree, and I can sit comfortably in the fork of two branches. My mother tells me it is not sensible for girls to climb trees, but one afternoon he climbed up too, and both of us sat there talking and eating raw mangoes. When I am high up in the tree, I feel like I can rule the whole world.
So here Radha is talking about her favorite activity. What is her favorite activity is to climb trees, which is outside her house. There is a mango tree. So she loves to climb that mango tree. And as its branches were spreading out, so it is very simple for her to climb the tree. Whether her mother tells her that it is not sensible for girls to climb trees because there was a difference. They were thinking that boys can climb the trees. It's not comfortable for girls to climb the trees. But one day she also climbed up and they both were eating raw mangoes and talking with each other. And now Radha continued that when she is high up in the tree, she is feeling like she is ruling the whole world. Okay. Ridhima, read this, Nasir. Ridhima, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Read Nasir.
When Nasir, when I grow up, I want to become a seed collector. We have cotton fields in our village, and every year my father spends a lot of money on buying new seeds to grow our cotton plants. My grandfather told me that many years ago he could collect the seeds from his own plants, which could be sown to grow new plants during the next year. But today that doesn't work, so we have to spend money to buy new seeds every single year. I want to find out why that is so. I want to learn how to preserve seeds so that we can use them again and not spend money every year.
Yes. So you can see here Nasir want to be a seed collector. Why he want to be a seed collector? Because his grandfather said to him that we used to grow plants with the old plant seeds, and his father has to spend a huge amount of money on purchasing those seeds. So he wanted to save that money and he want to learn how to collect seeds and how to grow new plants from the old seeds. So he wanted to know all these things. That's why he wanted to be a seed collector so that he can save his parents money. Okay. Prapti, read the next paragraph. Rohit.
Yes, ma'am. Rohit, if I had a huge amount of money, I would travel and travel. I want to see the mountains of New Zealand because they look beautiful in a magazine picture. I wish to could sail down the Amazon River. In South America on a raft, I want to live on the beaches of Lakshadweep and live down to see coral. I suppose I should go to the Konark temple in Orissa, or the old city in Beijing in China, and the pyramids in Egypt too. But what I actually enjoy is seeing nature more than old buildings.
So you can see here, Rohit, he wanted to have a huge amount of money so that he can travel because he likes to travel a lot and he wanted to see the mountains of New Zealand because they appear so beautiful to him. He got attracted to the mountains of New Zealand as he was watching in magazine. And he also want to sail down the Amazon River in South America on a raft. I want to live on the beaches of Lakshadweep. He also wanted to live on the beaches of Lakshadweep and dive down to see the coral. And he's supposed to go to the Konark temple in Odisha or the old city in Beijing in China. And he wanted to see the pyramids in Egypt too. But what he actually enjoys to see the nature. He has a love for nature. Okay. Saksham, can you read the next paragraph?
Ma'am, can
Sarabjit,
I read?
Sarabjit, Saksham.
Subject. What makes me very angry is when people does not believe me when I am telling the truth. For example, if I tell my teacher that I could not do my homework because we borrowed my book and forgot to return it, or it will tell my parents that it was not me but my little brother who started the fight, or if I tell my teacher that I really didn't study for the test, even if I me as if they think I am telling lie. Me sometimes I have to look down at my shoes and count to 10 so that I do not show that I am angry.
So he is saying that Sarabjit doesn't like when people doesn't believe him when he was saying the truth, and no one believes him. Like if his brother is fighting with him and it was his fault, then his parents doesn't believe him. And even if he is telling the teacher that he has studied but he has done his homework, or he could not do his homework because his friend has borrowed a book from him and he didn't return him. So his teachers are not believing him. That's why it hurts Sarabjit. And when he is telling, when he got less marks and he is telling his teachers that he has studied a lot, but teachers didn't believe him, then also he got angry. And how he control his anger? By looking down at his shoes and count to 10. So that I do not show that I am, so that he will not show that he is angry. Yes, Rayan, you can read this Dolma. Rayan,
Yes,
read
ma'am.
Dolma.
Yes, ma'am. Dolma. When I grow up, I
You
am
are
going
not
to
audible, Beta. You're not audible. Speak loudly.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I
Now read. Let him read.
Yes, ma'am. Now am I audible?
Yes, Beta.
Dolma. When I grow up, I am going to be the Prime Minister of India. People always laugh when I say that, but I am sure that I will do it. Everyone in my class asks me what to do when they have a problem, and my teacher always trusts me when something needs to be done in school. I want to make things better for everyone. I want us to have good hospitals and roads and schools. I want to make sure that there are many good scientists in India who will invent cures for diseases and send a spaceship to Mars.
So you can see here that Dolma want to be prime minister. She has a dreams that she wanted to become prime minister, and when she tell others that she want to be prime minister, then people begins to laugh at her. Okay, nobody believes her that she will be prime minister. But every time what she is doing, she is helping others, she is solving the problems of the students, she is helping teachers also. Even teachers also trust her a lot, that they, whenever they need any help, they contact Dolma. And what she want to do, she want to make things better for everyone. She want to set up, as she is having a big intention, good intention, like she want to set up good hospitals, roads and schools, and she want to make sure that there are many good scientists who should do further inventions to cure all the diseases, that nobody will become unhealthy in her country. And she also wanted to send spaceship to Mars so that she can do further inventions. So you can see that she is a bright, and she is, if she wants to become prime minister, so she deserved to be, because she's thinking so good at her age. Okay, Tanish, continue the next one, Peter.
Okay, ma'am. Peter, my favorite day is the second day of every month. On this day, our whole family always goes to the cinema hall to see a film. My father gets the tickets in advance, and all of us, my grandmother, my parents, my two brothers, and I take the bus there in the interval. My father buys us peanuts, and I love to sit in the darkness of the hall, eating and watching the film. Afterwards, we always stop to eat ice cream. Everyone is in a good mood and we all feel very lucky that we are such a happy family.
Yes, now Peter is saying that what he loves, he likes second Sunday of the month because on this day his whole family is going out to cinema hall to watch a movie, and his father gets the ticket in advance for all of them so that his grandparents and his mother and his sisters and brothers can go to see the movie. And in the interval, his father is bringing peanuts for them so that they can enjoy peanuts. And he loves to sit in the darkness to see the movie and eating peanuts. And everyone is happy in that when they are watching movie, and after returning home they are having ice cream also. Okay, so everyone is in a good mood, so that's why he feel very happy on the second Sunday, because they are going to watch movie, they are going to with their family, and they're enjoying peanuts and eating ice cream. So I hope this chapter is clear to everyone. Chapter is finished. Any problem?